Hi everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making a walk-in reservation using the PMS. Let's get started. Step 1. Initiate a walk-in. Go to the front office section and click on Walk-in. Now select the check-in and check-out dates and click on Find Room. You'll see a list of rooms that are vacant and clean. Choose the room number you'd like to assign to the guest, scroll down, and click Next. Step 2. Set room rate and billing. In this step, you'll define the room rate. Click on the rate field, select the meal plan, enter the number of adults, and input the selling rate. Once done, click on Add Rate. You'll now see the price breakup. In the billing section, choose whether to add it to the room or collect the amount immediately. Then click Next. Step 3. Fill the guest details. Now fill in the guest details, upload any required documents, and finally click Submit. And that's it. Your walk-in reservation has been successfully completed. If you have any questions or need help with our hotel software and services, feel free to reach out to us at the number provided. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.